All right, guys, I'm Smitty, and today we're taking a look at the Action Sport Games CZ75 SP-01 Shadow Airsoft gun. This is a magazine-fed, gas-operated, non-blowback airsoft pistol. It's operated by a single 12-gram CO2 cartridge. The magazine holds approximately 15 rounds, and with 20-gram BBs, it achieves velocities up to 410 feet per second. This is my primary sidearm when playing airsoft. It's my favorite airsoft pistol, despite the fact that it's a non-blowback pistol. And one of the reasons for that is because of the lack of the reciprocating slide on this particular gun. More gas is directed into the nozzle, allowing it to achieve greater velocities with the ammo. And this is an extremely accurate gun, has incredible range on it. It's extremely comfortable to shoot. It's a 1/1 scale replica to the real steel CZ75. So let's take a look at it. All right, so before we begin, I want to talk about the packaging, because ASG ships all their airsoft pistols in these nice cardboard display and storage boxes, unlike some of their competitors that use the plastic blister packaging, which is impossible to open without destroying it. This is not. Open the box up, first thing you're going to find on the inside is your owner's manual, and then the airsoft pistol itself. This is, again, a 1/1 scale replica to the real steel CZ75 Shadow. This particular airsoft pistol is a polymer and metal construction. You have a polymer frame, polymer slide, full metal trigger, full metal hammer. You also have polymer metal construction in the magazine. So let's talk about some of the features on the gun. Starting up front, you've got your blaze orange safety tip on the muzzle. You've got a fixed fiber optic front sight. You've got front slide serrations, left and right. You've got your pick rail on the bottom of the frame for a weapon light, full metal trigger, fixed takedown lever here, functioning safety with an extended thumb shelf here, your mag release. The grips on this gun are almost identical to the real steel CZ75, including the molded thumb shelf here for your thumb to rest on. You've got a full metal hammer. Up top, you've got a fixed ramp rear sight. You've got an extended beaver tail. Hitting your mag release, remove the magazine. You've got your slot for your 12-gram CO2 cartridge. You've got your spring-loaded activation dial for the CO2, and here you have your 15-round reservoir for your ammo. Once you load the CO2 and activate it, put the magazine in the gun, pull the hammer back, it's ready to go. All right, guys, so now that we've talked about the features on the ASG CZ75 SP-01 Shadow Airsoft pistol, I'm going to take it out and test the accuracy and the range of this gun. We're going to shoot a target from 7 meters, 10 meters, and 20 meters, standing and unsupported. All right, guys, so here's my final thoughts on the ASG CZ75 SP-01 Shadow non-blowback air pistol. Extremely accurate, very comfortable gun to shoot. I could run it all day long. Very powerful at 400 feet per second. You can see I engage targets at 7 meters, 10 meters, and 20 meters with 0.20 gram BBs. At 7 and 10 meters, it was extremely accurate. At 20 meters, it was not. I was getting a lot of flyers due to the wind. 0.20 gram BBs are really too light to shoot in a pistol like this. You really need 0.25s or 0.28s. So if you're looking for a cost-efficient, accurate, and powerful airsoft pistol to use as your sidearm, consider the ASG CZ75 SP-01 Shadow. Have a good one.